Hello friends, hope you all are fine. So friends, today I am going to discuss about the facts you must know but perhaps don't about Highland cattle. While presenting some interesting Highland cattle facts, this animal's sake article explain how it possible to produce a premium quality beef with less cost and effort. Holy cow! Highland and ancient Scottish breed is the oldest registered cattle breed. Highland cattle was withstand harshest conditions and seem to be immune to everything. They live longer and produce more calves than other breeds. Highland cattle are native to the areas of Scotland close to the Arctic Circle. They have adapted well to the toughest environmental conditions that prevail in the rugged Scottish Highland. They are often seen grazing in steep slopes. They are known for their mountain climbing skills, hardiness and vigor. These days they are raised mainly for their leaner, tender and flavorful meat. Their double coat acts as a natural isolator and protects them from severe cold, high rainfall and strong winds. The outer coat consists of long, coarse hair while the inner coat consists of soft, short, woolly hair. The long fringes over the eyes are known as doshan. None other cattle breed has such a coat. Other breeds provides a layer of fat to stay warm. The excess fat stored in subcutaneous layers protects them from severe cold. Highland cattle do not need such fat for protection, and it has been noticed that Highlands do not increase their feed intake until the temperatures drop to 18 degrees F, while other breeds increase their intake at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. That is why the meat of Highland cattle tends to be the leaner than most beef. Quick facts: scientific name Bosteros, family Bovidae, common names hairy cow, Scottish Highland cattle, Scottish Highland cattle, Highland cattle or Highlanders. Diet: herbivore, mainly consists of grass, leaves and flowers. Native place: Scotland. Habitat: mountainous and wet grasslands. Height: 0.9 to 1.1 meter, means 3.5 feet. Weight: 400 to 1000 kg, means 882 to 2204 lbs. Top speed 40 km per hour, means 25 mph. Lifestyle: herd. Conservation status: least concern. Life expectancy 15 to 22 years. Average litter size 1. Predators: human beings, wolves and coyotes. Characteristics feature: long thick flowing coat and large curved horns. Color: tan, brown, black, brindled, red, yellow, dun, silver, white or orange. Highland cattle breed facts. All the groups of cattle are generally called herds. A group of Highlands is known as a fold. Originally, the slightly smaller and black or brindled Highland cattle that were found on the islands of the west coast of northern Scotland were known as Killoy. The larger ones, most reddish in color, were common in the remote Highlands of Scotland. Today, both these strains are regarded as one breed Highland. Their double coat reduced the need for expensive burns and shelter, so raising them in quite economically. The hair on the outer coat can be about 13 inches long. These well-oiled hair help shed rain and snow. These are easy to handle animals. They do not require specially designed shelter, feed, supplement or expensive grains to stay fit. They can withstand cold weather and snow. Many other breeds would not survive in the condition in which Highland cattle live happily. They have been raised in remote terrains with harsh climate like Alaska and Scandinavian countries. Highland produce less hair in warm climates, so they are suitable for any area throughout the US. Despite being raised in the northern regions, they adapt well to the southerly climate. They are being raised in Texas, Louisiana and Georgia. Records show that they are first imported into the United States in the late 1890s. In Scotland, the Highland Cattle Registry was established in 1885. Archaeological evidence show that the breed existed in the 6th century. Some written records show that Highland cattle existed in the 12th century. Today they are found in American, Europe and Australia. The American Scotch Highlands Breeders Association was formed in August 1948. Later in 1992, the name was changed to the American Highland Cattle Association or AHCA. The American Highland Cattle Association Registry was first formed in 1948. According to the breeders, Highland eats what other cattle pass by. They are adept browsers. They clear a brush quickly with great efficiency. Highland love eating grass, however, they also eat the fresh newly emerging leaves of various bushes, oak leaves, cedar saplings, and even pine needles. They create a browse line on the trees by eating the leaves within their reach. Calves are relatively smaller. They weigh 40 to 60 pounds. Highland cows are highly fertile. They give birth to calves very easily without any birthing assistance. They can produce calves up the age of 19. With a 9 month gestation period, they can give birth to a calf each year. The considerably reduced replacement cost. In case of adverse condition, conception rates do not get affected. They remain high for a relatively longer period. Usually the horns of a Highland cow grow outward and curve up above her head that tips pointing towards the sky. A bull's horns normally curve outward and forward along the sides of his face. The tips are not raised very high. The calves are born with nerves that are as small as the tip of a finger. A 1-year-old heifer has about 5 to 7 inches long horns. The horn spread of an older cow can be 3 to 4 feet wide. Horns help determine the age of the growing calf. The weight of a mature cow is 900 to 1200 pounds. Bulls may weigh about 1500 to 2000 pounds. The weight largely depends upon forage conditions. There is no need to worry about their temperaments. Looks are often deceptive. The Highland is an even-tempered animal. They can be halter trained as easily as any other breed. They are quite intelligent, docile and cooperative. This is a disease-resistant breed. Long lashes and Dachshund protects that eyes from flying insects. Therefore, pinkey and cancer eye are seldom encountered. Highlands do not stress easily in harsh conditions, so stress-related diseases are also uncommon. They seem to be immune to everything, as other bovine disease affects them less. Genetic plays an important role in this. Their adaptability to serve changes in weather is responsible for the longevity. For more than 2 decades, the Highlands and Highland crosses have topped their respective classes at the esteemed National Western Stock Show in Denver, Colorado. The British also considered Highland beef as the finest available beef. They too, it is sold as high price. The British royal family keeps a large herd of Highlands at Balmoral Castle near Barrymore, Scotland. The milk obtained from Highland cows is high in butter fat. It can be used to make butter and cheese. On Highland cow may not produce as much as milk as typical production milk cow, but the milk would be sufficient for her calf and her owner. Unlike other breeds, Highlands are slow maturing, so the meat is fine texture, tender and succulent. A study conducted by the Scottish Agricultural College showed the Highland beef is significantly about 40% lower in fat and cholesterol. It contains more protein and iron than other beefs. These meat nutrition facts have made Highland cattle popular all over the world. Hides from these magnificent animals are sold at high price because of their long hair and availability of colors. They are used to make luxurious dogs. The breed Highland cattle was originally developed by natural selection, and so it is best known for its exceptional survival qualities like hardiness, endurance, maternal abilities, reproductivity, efficiency and longevity. All these characteristics features have them more profitable than other breeds. Related post: fascinatingly crazy facts about Texas Longhorn cattle. Texas Longhorns are renowned the world over for their remarkable long horns and lean meat, which has less saturated fat compared to other breeds. Animal Sec list out some interesting facts. Amazing facts about flying fish you must read now. The term flying fish may appear to be an oxymoron at first, but these apparently anomalous creatures exist and are one of the nature's most fascinating marvels. This